Hey, good morning. Another day, another dollar. A lot of things to do today. Let's fix those few spots of peeling. There's not much left, and there's other things to be done. So don't go away. Okay, back to my little nightmare. It looks like what I'm doing is working. The only thing I saw is here, and the skim coat was dry, definitely. This one already cleaned the scale, already cleaned the peel, and I put a little bit of a paint. So it's no problem. But see, I didn't put much, just very quick. I still have to do those one working, they're good. This one didn't work for whatever reason. I got to do a bit more here, but when you put just a little bit of paint, it doesn't peel, it's pretty good. And I still have to do this top there for some reason. It always come up. Okay. So that's it. Everything, everywhere else is good. Hasn't peeled so far. Anyway, it's quite interesting. I mean, there's a lot of mud here, like as you call, no peeling whatsoever. Here the same, no peeling whatsoever. It's more like there. Okay, let's get into it. Just for fun, this one here, I use some sticky tape. Everywhere else is good. It's only mainly under the skim coating. Okay. Okay, I scrap by whatever's coming loose. dry. If it was wet, although I don't think so it was wet, but dry with the hair dryer as much as I can. I could see the color of the hardy fries changing, so it's getting heat in there. I cleaned all the dust. I'm just gonna put a little bit of a paint, not thick, just a little bit, and then we're gonna leave like this and see what happens. See, I just put a very, very thin coat, likely used as a primer, if you like. I'm not going to put any more than that. I think I've done some everywhere, just a little bit here. Yep, that's it. So, very, very thin coat. Same thing on the top there. And then we'll see what happens. I gotta leave it for a while this time. Okay. There's other things to be done. I need to get the fittings ready, so we're gonna buy them for the water pressure pump. So I'll have to go outside and work that out. Also, I need to clean the car. Tonight we're going to a Christmas celebration at the D Hotel with Robert, his wife. So we'll have to go early, so it's going to be a short day today. Anyway, so I hope what I'm doing is going to fix it. If not, we go to next step.
If not, forget it.
If not, the boss says she fired me. It's gonna be alright.
Do you really need to? We're gonna put that.
It's always the same spot. Always the same spot. So I dry with a hair dryer and
Maybe you didn't polish
cleaned the
properly
dust. Yeah, I did.
skin coat.
Yeah.
It's rough.
Yeah, of course. So I just put a little bit. See? So like this.
Yeah.
I didn't put much. So we'll see. That shouldn't peel. That didn't peel before. When I did like this, I noticed through the area it didn't peel at all. Then you can paint over it. Alright, so we come back around, see what happened. Fingers crossed. Let's check the water pressure pump and see what fittings I need. Okay, I got 2 samples with me. I think that's good. That's the outlet. This is the inlet. Yeah, that's good. Alright. So that's what I need to buy to connect this. Okay. Okay. Okay, to prime we're gonna have to fill up the tank and put some water through here. That should be alright. Alright, now the question is, where are we going to put this pump? What kind of fit? You can't put any bolts. Yeah. Okay. Maybe don't need it. I'll show you what we've done because I want it to be protected just under the house here. I asked them to put a concrete base. I think you can see the line here. So there's a concrete base right here. I just need to clear it and put a pump there. And I could cover here so it doesn't get affected by the rain or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, I could do that. I should do something here too. I don't want to come and knock off my pump. But I could do something so they can't take it off. We'll see. So I like a pipe to come this way, all the way, and stay maybe a foot or so away from the bottom, and then go like this, then again, and go across, back in here, and to the tank. So yeah, it's about, I don't know, 5 meter. Actually, I still got a fair bit of hardy flags there I can put around the pump so nobody sees the pump there. I don't know. We'll find a way. I'll just put some mesh. Yeah. And then access from the inside there. Okay. So I know now what I need. I know what my man put this. This is no use to. This is. Okay, so the shit doesn't go inside. Alright. Fair enough. Okay, and this one here. If I get the pipe in, I need this one, yeah. Okay. Lily! Oh, Lily's here. Hello.
Good job. Oh, falling. Abay, nito kang hugas ko eh.
Okay, all good. Wow, what an overwhelming response to my birthday. I really didn't expect that. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for everybody who wish me good things. I appreciate that. Although, see, I'm the kind of person who don't like celebrating or anything. My own birthday. But anyway, thank you so much. Yeah, my wife is here. Okay, so it looks like the paint on the bathroom is getting better now, so I'm gonna leave this for a few days. Just make sure it doesn't peel anymore. Gongon's not showing up to do the grass, so Sunday, which is our next free day,
we're probably going to do that and leave the bathroom for now. We'll see how we go anyway. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where's my girl? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, don't bother her. She's concentrated. Bye-bye.